All right, I had to unplug my lights to plug in the sump pump, but that is now done. You can hear the sump is going. Let's take a look right there. I don't know if you can see it, but you can actually see the water rushing, flowing down here to the sump basin. So it is moving along, getting over here to the sump basin, and it is being pumped right out there to the exterior. So this water problem and all that down there will work its way slowly down underneath that gravel. There's the French drain. It'll work its way right down here into the sump basin and then be pumped out to drainage. So that is one big step in taking care of a problem. Next, we're going to encapsulate, which involves sealing off the crawl space, insulating, so full encapsulation, which put some insulation up. We're going to put up a thick liner that will be sealed to all the walls, piers, beams, or all the walls and piers. And then the last thing we have planned is to do a boric air treatment to make sure that any future moisture that maybe gets in for whatever reason won't cause any damage to the wood. And it'll also help that any of the fungus in here gets treated by that boric air treatment. So